All right. Question number 3. It's about data handling. It's about travelers who entered South Africa from April to June 2020. All right. They're telling us write down the total number of overseas travelers arriving in South Africa during April to June. Now, when we see here, we have this dark side here. This is overseas. This is Africa. Unspecified. Then the total answer is there. So they're asking you write down the total number. So all we had to do, 2 marks, we had to come here and write 1,371. Another method, how could you get this answer here? It's so simple. You get the total minus the ones in Africa minus the unspecified. Whatever remains has to
There's
be
the
coming
other.
from there. All
Let
right,
me
we go
test
in
it.
then.
141.
Sorry?
Now I was saying, let me test it. 2, 3, 8. Yeah,
Show by
it's
means of
okay.
calculations how the number of 141,663 was calculated. So when you check, when we look at this, the same as this number here, which is the total number. That means they added
Everything.
the overseas people,
Africa,
the
unspecified,
Africa,
and
and the,
overseas.
yeah. So that's all we have to do here. We say, we shall say already the overseas here, plus that of Africa. That of Africa is
140.
140, 238 plus
54.
54. Remember, they're saying show by calculation, so you should stop there because already the answer is this.
Yes.
So when you've shown this, they're telling us calculate the
Then I
missing
don't
value
write
of
the total.
A. The value of A, you need to come here and see where is the value of A. Value of A, it's here. Value of A, it belongs to Asians. Simply meaning when you add this and you add that, you add this, you should get the answer as 460. You see? So it will be 103 plus the A plus the 12 should give me the answer as 460. When I add these two, the normal numbers, I end up having 224 plus A gives me 460. Because I'm looking for A, this will jump over this side. It becomes a minus. So 460 minus 224. We have the value of A as 236. Okay, we go to the second question. It says, explain unspecified as used in context.
Yes, context.
These ones here, I believe, unspecified, like undocumented. Undocumented, because if they were documented, then you would tell they're from Africa, but undocumented, yes, we can talk of that. What else could it be? Unspecified. They're not specified, they're not specific. Like they don't know where they're coming from. Unknown. You understand? All right. 3.1, 3 marks with the 3.1.5. The incomplete graph showing the data for travelers coming from 3 overseas countries, namely North America, Australia, Australasia, and the unspecified has been drawn on answer sheet 1. Use table 3 above to complete the graph. Let's go and we see the This is, here we go. Here we are. What is missing? Here we are missing the total number of stray, these ones here. Then this side we are missing unspecified. Then on the road, we're also missing unspecified. So we need to know the number. The only complete one is this one here. But this one is missing a bar here. This one is missing a bar here. Also, this one is missing a bar there. So this one is complete. So we shall go to the next and you say, let's go to the next and you see, wait a little bit. Right. This and we look at a graph that we're going to draw. So here we are, this graph here. So first and foremost, let's first find out what's the total number of those ones. Total number of Australia guys, what we have to say here. They are here. The answer is supposed to be what? It's 45.
45.
We're going to plot that under total. Then under A, it was complete. Road, which guys are missing on the road? On the road, we are missing the unspecified. On the road, we are missing the unspecified. And on the road, when you see the unspecified and 19. Then on the C, we're missing the unspecified again, which is 0. So here we're going to draw, and we are saying it's 45 around there. 45 is around there. You need to draw your graph nice. When you're in an exam, you use a ruler. You don't draw it like me. And you should leave some spaces between the bars.
Okay.
Yeah. It should look like this one. You see there's a space here, there's a space here. This is 45, that's what was missing. And when it comes to this on road, we said it's 19. 19 is close to 20 there. This is 19. Here there was 0, so they put nothing. So these were 2 missing values there. Come to the question again. That is it. Migration, movement of people from one place/country to another. In South Africa is driven largely for economic opportunities, political instabilities, and increasingly environmental hazards. The graph below shows the top 5 countries of origin of migrants, people coming from a foreign country residing in South Africa. These are the countries. We have Mozambique, it contributes 12%, Zimbabwe 8%, Burundi 5%, Lesotho 4%, and Angola 5%. So the total immigrants, like everyone sees, 7,877,165. They're telling us state the number of migrants from Lesotho residing in South Africa. So we shall say 4% of this. So we shall say 4 divided by 100 times this number here. 7 million. And the answer you have it as?
It's 4 divided by 100 times.
divided by 100 times 78.
315086.
315.
086.60.
086.
0.60.
0.60. Now remember these are humans, so which is approximately 31508
6.
7.
Oh,
They're
okay.
humans. We can't have a
Mm.
half a person. Sorry for a few minutes. All right, we continue and we say 3.2.2. Calculate the total percentage immigrants from the top 5 countries residing in South Africa. Total from the top 5. So what do we do here? We add all the percentages. We add all the percentages and we see we have 12 plus 8 plus 5, that's 25, which gives me 30 here and 34. So in other words, I will have
34.
I have 34 over 100 times the number that we have here, the number of immigrants. So from the 5 that are mentioned up, how many contribute?
267 8236.
We have
267
267.
8236.
It's 2,678,236,
36.
1.
Yeah.
So the one we ignore that because these are humans. We can't have a half a person. Okay.
So we leave it at 236 only.
Yeah, we can leave it to 36. The immigrant from Lesotho, the immigrant from Lesotho is shown as 4%. Using the actual number of immigrants from Lesotho, determine the actual percentage of immigrants from Lesotho. Explain why there is a difference between the percentage shown and the actual percentage. So now what we're going to do, we shall take asked, let me see, the immigrants from Lesotho show for percentage in the actual number of immigrants from Lesotho. Then the actual percentage of immigrants from Lesotho. Where is your bit? Hello.
Hello, I'm here.
So what we're going to do, we get to this number. And we find out the answer there.
At 315087.
Divided by this number here.
Percent.
Oh, sorry, times 100 because we are determining the percentage. Times 100 because we're determining the percentage. But I see no difference. Okay, it's 4,000. It goes on. But it's not for exactly.
078.
They're asking, explain why there's a difference. It's because of what?
Rounding off.
Rounding off caused the difference. Determine the probability as a simplified fraction of randomly selecting an immigrant from Mozambique or Lesotho from the total number of immigrants, 3 marks. Now, probability, it's a chance something happens. So probability can either be in fractions,
Mm,
it's expressed as a fraction, or decimal. If not, it's expressed as a percentage. So now, here they're saying, tell me the in simplified fraction. So we are looking at Mozambique or Lesotho. So we shall go and use their percentages. It's also fine. So Mozambique has 12. Lesotho has 4.
12% and 4.
So we shall say 12
12
plus
is 2
4
4.
over 100, which is 16 over 100. Simplified form by 4? By 4.
12,04.
No, by 2. By 2. Okay, it's fine. 16 divided by this, what do you get? 16 divided by 100. Yeah, by 4. By 4, you remain with 4. By 4 down, you remain with 25. This is what they wanted. Simplified fraction. Simplified fraction.
Fraction.
I still there. I think what you're doing. Hello.
I'm here, sir. Okay. Can I ask? That's 16. What did we do to get 4 over
We
25?
took the percentage of people from Mozambique. Remember, the probability
Yes,
says
that's 12 plus 4. That's 16 years.
yes. Now
I
remember,
got that.
yeah, we're saying we are looking at percentage from Mozambique and percentage from
That's so
Lesotho.
true.
So we get that plus that divided by 100.
Yes.
Why? They are all percentages. So I've got 16 over 100. So when you reach this moment like this, put this in the calculator, 16 over 100. It will give you a fraction. And that's a fraction that you will write, especially when they ask for
Okay, 4 over
simplified.
25. Okay.
You see this?
Yes.
So your answer has to be in a fraction.
Fraction. Okay. Yeah, I got 4 over 25.
Yeah, 4 over 25. Simplify. That's one we call it simplified. All right, let's look again. Let's look at 4.1. The person here is a teacher at South African school, and she complained showing her salary deductions for January 2018 and January 2019. That's 1 year. The government employees pension fund, the government employees. So the government employees pension fund is 7.5% of the gross salary. There we go. They say show table 4 shows an extract of deductions on Ubuntu's January 2018, 2019 salary slip, the pay slip. All right, here we go. When you see this, now this we've gone back to what? We've gone back to what?
Finance.
All right, we go there and we see. So here we go. They're asking us, give 2 reasons why a worker contributes towards pay as you earn in the Republic of South Africa. Pay as you earn, you know it. Why it's called personal what?
Personal income tax.
So in other words, okay, this one in full, it's pay as you earn. But the other name is what? Personal income tax. So they're asking you, why would someone, 2 reasons, why would someone pay tax? For the government to fix what? To fix the roads. You can say that. For the government to pay the public workers. Not so. To pay the public workers, to fix hospitals, to build schools. You talk of such. Okay, question number 5. Calculate Nobutu's net salary of 2018. Remember, net equals to what? Net will equal to gross
minus all the deductions.
Yes, minus deductions. So that's what we're good. We first and foremost, we need to know what's our gross in 2018. We talk of our pay. Let me see. 2019 salary. There you go. Okay. Okay. What are we going to use to determine the gross? This is a tricky one. Eh? Are you seeing any gross anywhere?
No.
No. But in the
just
question they told us she contributes 7.5% of her gross salary. You see that? So simply meaning of her gross. So this number here represents 7.5% of the gross. You see that? So we need to find out what was the gross. So if 7.5% of the gross gives me 1855, what is the gross? So we need to divide through. This number here is going to be divided by 7.5%. So the gross became 7.7. Let's put here number. 7. 7, percent the same as 0.075. Ne? Is it? Want it to be a number and that it does not confuse us. Okay. We divide through by 0.075. I'm looking for the gross. So you go to the answer as what? There's a 0.8 here. Yeah, the answer becomes what? How much do you have there? Her gross is 25,134. 34, 40 cents.
Oh yeah, Kanji, if it's just a number with a zero at the end. Okay.
Yes. So we have this now. We've got her gross now. So let's go and look for the net. What we do, we add all these expenses.
Together,
all these deductions. So we subtract and we see
14,303.81.
You good?
14,303.81. 303.
33.
No, 303.
Oh, 303. 303.
0.81.
81.
So you're gonna say 25134.
So we're going to subtract now.
Minus 14303.81. Then I'm getting 10,830.59 cents.
10,000.
830.59.
59.
Yes.
That is it. So the trick was to find the gross. That's why it says 5 marks. It's 5 marks. I don't know. And we write it here. And Nobutu Senate salary, and they explain why workers demand an increase in salary every year. Why do people demand an increase in salary every year? Mainly it's due to what?
Inflation.
Prices go up. And if the salary does not go up, you can't cope up with your standards of living. Is it true?
Yes.
Yeah. So allow me to do this again. We had to determine the gross by using pension, whereby we said 0,075 times a given amount gave us 1885,0. So we divided through by, and we divided through by this. We are determining the, so our gross now became
1885.08 divided by 0.075. 25134.40.
So this was the gross. So that means the net will be the gross minus the deductions. And we found out the deductions were
14,303.
14,303 rands 81 cents.
0.81 cents is
the net salary is
10,830.59.
Deductions are so much, like half of the salary. Hey. Okay, that's what happens. So the 5 marks, were about the gross, Okay, we look at 4.2. They tell us to look at the sum. Okay, we are soon running out of.
Just see. Running out of data again. Time,
but it's fine. An exercise shows the summary of the monthly gross salary, total deduction, and net salary of the teacher at the school. And next just see, use an exercise to answer the following questions. Arrange the gross monthly. You see now, we've gone back to data handling. You see what I told you? It might be both. So here we go back and we see it's finance and data handling. Question 1, they are mixed. Question 4, they are mixed. Okay, we write it and we say, arrange the gross monthly salaries for post level 1 in ascending order, which means from small to big. Let's look at the next year. And next year, see, here we go. Oh, it's going to take a lot of time. They said level 1, eh?
Yes.
Post level 1 in ascending order. We are arranging the gross monthly salaries of post level 1. So you need to analyze them. Because look at this, you have to look at, we have this.
So the smallest is 19,095.
The smallest is
19,095.
Yes, followed by 19, 19, followed by 21.
Yes.
These are the same.
21,908.
There's one here.
3 of them.
Yeah, there's also here. Ne? 21, 28, 28, 26. 28, so 26 becomes number 5. 28, 447. Is there any other 26? Oh man, no. Before 26, we have a 24 here. Ne? Oh, we have a 22. This is 5.
22, 126, yes.
Then
24, 133.
There's another 24 somewhere. Is it true? No. So we go to 26.
Then did we count 21?
Yeah. All of them.
2, 4, 133.
24? Yeah.
21908.
2-1. Yeah, these ones, the 2-1s are finished. The 2-8, 2-8, 2-6 is remaining here. So 2-6 becomes number 7. 2-8, 2-8, 2-8,
28208, yes.
And these are the same.
Then we've got 2824777.
Okay. They are done.
Yes.
This one here. This one is the highest. That's what we do.
39, yeah.
Oh, sorry. This is 11, not 10. So you arrange them according to their numbers. That's the first thing you do when you have their mixture there to avoid scratching. Okay. That's what we are. One, I put these symbols besides here just to show you the level 1s that we are looking at. We wanted level 1s only here. But gross, Aibo, were we supposed to arrange the gross salary or net salary? The question wants us to arrange
the gross salary.
Oh, that's what we did. Okay. Write down the model gross monthly salary. Write down the gross, then gross model. Okay, the number that appears most. The number appears most. Which one is it? We had this one. This matches with that. Any other 24? Then we also had where are they? 21. 21 here. Another 21 there.
The 21908.
On top.
We missed the 24133.
Which one?
Number 6.
No, but we are looking at mode now. The number that appears most. This one only, it appears once. So we have 21908. 21908. It appears twice. Then we have 28477. 28477. It appears twice also. Is there any other? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. This one here appears appears what? Appears 3 times. You see it? So the mod number is 21,908. They're saying the starting annual gross salary excluding bonuses of a fully qualified teacher is 262,896. Now, Ubuntu stated that all the teachers at the school are fully qualified. Verify showing calculations whether it's valid. So all you do this, that. We divide it by 12. Why are we dividing by 12? Because the numbers we have there, they are monthly. Divided by
12. And I'm getting 21908.
And remember, this is this the lowest?
Yes.
It's
second lowest.
19, but the question says you would say that all the teachers at the school are fully qualified. So they're saying verify showing calculations of it. So it's not. It's invalid. It's invalid.
Yes.
Okay. Determine in simplified fraction form the probability of randomly selecting a teacher with deductions less than
mean total deduction.
Total deductions. Yeah. This is going to kill us. But anyway, first thing you're going to do, look for the mean. You need to look for the mean. whereby you're going to add all these values, total deduction, here. You're going to add all these numbers.
All of them.
Yeah, you need to add them. I'm not going to do this one. Yeah, you're going to add from these ones. No, add this side.
Oh, okay.
All of them, because you're looking at total deductions. So from here, you come back. Okay, how many are they, by the way, altogether? See? Let me see a thing. Then we simplified function the probability of randomly selecting a teacher with deductions less than the mean teacher. Okay, you add only for teachers. So this one is out, principal out. We're looking at teachers. Also, this one is out.
Oh, I calculated that principal as well. So we're counting only the teachers now?
Yeah, because the question wants us to have, look at this.
Okay, let me start again.
Selecting a teacher.
Teacher.
So we can't.
Okay. Let's go back to that.
Or to the next year.
Yes, please. 4,559.
4,559 plus 9, 660 plus 4,059 plus 10 to 6 plus 946.